Do you understand English, but when you try to speak, nothing comes out? You know words, but you can't make sentences? If this is your problem, this video will help you speak English fluently and confidently. Well, hello there everyone, this is Amar and on this channel, I help a student speak English fluently, confidently and naturally. So let's get started. Problem number 1. You only listen English, you don't speak. Most learners listen to English videos every day, but they don't speak. Listening is a good habit, but speaking is a practice skill. If you don't speak, you can't become fluent. Solution number 1. Speak every day, even wrong English. Don't wait for perfect English. Speak simple English. Speak slow English. Speak every day because mistakes are accepted, but silence is not. Problem number 2. You translate in your head. When you translate from Hindi to English, your mind becomes slow. That's why you feel stuck. Solution number 2. Think in English. Start thinking in small sentences like I'm learning English, I need more practice, I will improve every day. Simple English is good English. Problem number 3. Fear of people. Many people are afraid what if they laugh at me. But remember, confidence is more important than correctness. Solution number 3. Speak alone first. Talk to yourself in English in front of a mirror while walking during daily walk. This genuinely builds confidence. And the last but not least, problem number 4. You learn words but don't use them. You learn new words but don't speak them. That's why you forget them. Solution number 4. One word, one sentence. For every new word, make one sentence aloud. For example, word improve. Let's make a sentence of this word. I want to improve my English. That's enough. You don't need to make it too difficult. And here is some final tip for you. Speak slowly, speak clearly. Fluency is not fast speaking. Fluency is clear speaking. Speak English for 10 minutes every day, not once a week, every day. And in a few months, you will realize that your English has reached to the next level. Well, that's all in today's video. If you didn't do subscribe yet, please hit the subscribe button. If you are watching me on Facebook, please do follow there. I would really appreciate to all of you for watching this video till the end. Let's catch you in the next video.